Going on YouTube? What's going on? I apologize, it's been a fat minute since I've uploaded a video. I truly apologize. I've just been busy with a bunch of stuff. But today is possibly the day that I pick up the new project truck. This project truck here in particular has a lot of meaning to me, to my brother, myself, and my dad, because our dad had a truck just like this a couple years back. Due to some unfortunate circumstances, he had to go ahead and get rid of that truck. Today is the day that we kind of make that dream come back for him. I'm about to go pick up my brother. We're gonna go check the truck out. It's not too far away. It's about a 40-minute drive from us. I can't say too much, again, I don't want to give it away until you guys get to see the truck right now when I get to see it. So yeah, let's go check out the truck, see how it is. Hopefully it looks just as good as in the pictures, because you know, the pictures mean one thing, but then you see it in person, it's a whole different ball game, right? Let's go ahead and check the truck out, and yeah, I'll catch you right now in a bit. Well, getting out of the seller's driveway, it's a bunch of mud and asphalt. My dumbass got myself stuck. I wasn't paying attention. I was just trying to reverse, try to get everything done quickly. Got myself stuck. Well, as you saw, my dumbass got stuck. Well, I was backing up out of the place, out of these people's property, these nice people, and I just didn't pay attention at all, and I got myself stuck like a dumbass. Embarrassed myself. Got about a good hour and a half of drive back, and then hopefully the deal gets done tonight. Alright, YouTube, here we are. So, moment of truth. I'm about to go ahead and show you guys what the next project truck is. I'm very excited because this is something that we've been wanting to do for a very long time, and now we finally get to do it. So let's get it, let's show you. And here we are, guys. This is the new project truck. It is a 1970 F100.
Sí, señor, y no quieren irnos sola. No, señor, todos quieren ya bailarla. Sí, señor, y no quieren ya soldarla. No, señor, ya llegó la patacona. Sí, señor.
Alright, so here it is, guys. It's the new project truck. This is again, 1970 F100. This truck right here is going to be kind of reminiscent of what my dad used to have back in the day. He had a 72 F100, same bump side as well. So this is a bump side, and so this project to us means a lot because that truck meant a lot to him. And unfortunately, like I said in the video, he had to sell it for some reasons. We made it happen, made his dream come true again, and so we got to get to work on it. The cool thing about this truck is the previous owner, as you can tell, the truck has very minimal rusting on it. Any type of F100 you get to go see it on the market or try to buy has a lot of rust, holes and all that. This truck has very minimal because they've already gone through the process of trying to get rid of all that. This is a 302, it does have a 302 in it. The hood is kind of a little janky problem to go ahead and open, so that's why I'm not opening the hood. It's gonna take me too long. It does have a neat front end conversion from a Crown Vic, so it's got the Crown Vic front end conversion on it. It also has a flip kit in the back. That's why it's sitting pretty low, as you can tell. I'm not sure what ride height it currently has because of the Crown Vic suspension and the flip kit. The flip kit, it gives it a lower look in the back. So all we had to do is go ahead and lower it a little bit more using obviously Crown Vic parts. So it does have a power steering pump, and it does have a rack and pinion. This is the interior. As you can see, the previous owner went ahead and added this nice shifter on there. I love it actually, because usually F100s have the shifters up here for the automatics. Clearly with the manual you would get it down there, but this is an automatic. I don't know what transmission the truck has in it. It does have a faulty transmission right now. He said that it was running before he installed the transmission. He installed a new one because the last one had water in it, so they didn't want to risk it, but they went ahead and installed a new one, well, used one, and the truck never ran again. So we'd have to go ahead and look into the transmission. I don't know if it's the C4 transmission or the C6 transmission that it currently has, but this is it right here, guys. This is the truck. Oh, and as you saw in the B-roll, it does have a fuel cell. So here's the door to open it up, and the fuel cell there. So the suspension is really nice. As you can see, there's really little to no rusting. It does have some nice dual exhausts. I do want to go ahead and get some go woods in the back, just and get this truck on nice and neat. It's gonna take a while, but this is the next project truck, guys. Very excited. Here she is. Woo! It's hot out here. It says 110 out right now. Anyway, so hopefully y'all can hear me with the loud AC on. But yeah, like I was saying, so that is the project truck, guys. I'm super excited. This is not the last time you'll see the Ram, obviously. Like, that's how I started my channel. This is how it's gonna keep going. There's a lot of stuff I have to do to that truck still, but for now, I want to go ahead and focus a little bit more on the F100. The only thing I see in the near future for the Ram is to just get a ported heads, like I was saying in my previous videos, ported heads, maybe a bigger cam, to go ahead and get deeper into the 11s with the truck, because I feel like I've already maxed out the current setup I have on the Ram 1500 right now. Our last 72, the last 72 F100 he had the 302 in it. I believe back in the day he put a cam, he put some headers, he had done a couple bolt-ons and stuff like that. I think he might have done a little bit something with the heads, but it was no porting, nothing crazy, and the truck was okay. It was a 3-speed, I think it was a C4 transmission in that one. But he had a lot more to do with that truck. He just didn't have the time. He had painted it, it looked really nice and stuff. If you do follow me on Instagram, you would actually see it on my Instagram. But what I want to do with this one is actually I want to get rid of the 302. I'd like to get rid of the 302 and put a C6 transmission for a 460 swap. I'm not going to do an LS swap on it. I'm not going to do a Coyote swap on it. Would that be faster? 100,000%, right? I went ahead and did a Coyote or an LS swap or turbo and all that shit. I don't want that, right? At the end of the day, this is a truck for my dad. It's gonna have a decent amount of power, and it's still gonna keep that carburetor engine in there, right? I still want that naturally aspirated V8 from back in the day. That's what we're gonna go with, that's why I wanna go ahead and swap it out for a 460 engine. Those 460s are actually really good engines. They actually hold a lot of power. They have a really good, strong crankshaft. That's why we're planning on doing the 460 swap on it. Since the transmission doesn't work, now I would still like to see the truck on the road before the 460 swap. I just don't know to what extent that transmission is gone. From what the seller was telling me, he said that there was a bad pump and the transmission gave out and doesn't work anymore. But you can't always take a seller's word for it. You got to do your investigating and see what it is. So we're gonna have to go ahead and take the transmission down and probably open it, but which sucks because that takes money. The mechanic to go ahead and do that takes money. So we're gonna have to invest money into the transmission if you want to see it run, which I'm kind of iffy about. Do we just go ahead and skip all that and go straight into the C6 transmission and go 460 swap, or do we try to get it on the road? Or do we go ahead and skip fixing the transmission right now and seeing the truck on the road now? Or do we go full 460 swap, transmission right off the jump, right? Obviously, it's not gonna happen quick. It's not gonna be instantaneous. I have a lot of bills to pay myself. I'm not by no means wealthy or nothing like that. So I got other stuff to take care of, and it's gonna take a while, right? But you know, what should be the long-term plan? I think if we just think long-term, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe my luck changes and I make a little bit more money and I get to put more money into it, right? But let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. What should I do? Should I try to fix the transmission now, try to see the truck on the road right now, or should we just go straight to the 460 and C6 transmission swap? Well, I don't know. For the suspension in the rear, I want to go ahead and change that whole suspension in the rear out. I do want to go with a 4-link suspension. I love the 4-link on my Ram. It rides really smooth. It does really well on the track. This is not going to be a track truck by any means, but you know, just to go ahead and get a smoother ride, I would love to just go ahead and do a 4-link suspension. Appreciate every single supporter that I have. I have close to 600 subscribers now, and I am truly, truly blessed. You know, obviously to your favorite YouTuber, that is nothing, right? But I'm just an average guy just trying to, you know, vlog and, you know, pretty much share my experiences with you guys. So I greatly appreciate for all the support that you guys have been giving me by watching my videos, buying my merch. I greatly appreciate it. I will be trying to drop some more merch out, guys. I've just been really busy, but I promise to those that actually enjoy my merchandise, I promise that I am gonna drop some merch, some different kind of merch. That'll be it for the video, guys. I greatly appreciate you for watching. Stay tuned for more F100 videos and Ram 1500 videos. This is Poor Man's RT. I'm gonna see you on the next one.